It's very good morning today. So very happy at the right now and this time. So because actually I have come my on duty times and this time because actually I did not get more time for the making videos. So I just came inside the storeroom. So because actually I have thinking since childhood because it will be downloaders and video on YouTube today. So because actually I have a lot responsibility, guys, because don't make any videos so regular basis because guys I have family here. So I have to care my family, my daughter, my wife. So so actually I dropped my daughter to school and regular because actually I get the little bits times for to make video on YouTube channel, but actually as soon as I find it get time for making video so regular I want to make video on the regular basis, but actually in the time issues I have a lots. So even then I get chance to making video. I'm as also I'm practice English and every day because guys today actually I would say actually weather so very wonderful and today outdoor, but actually just started and summer season, guys, so very hot. And these days the because actually sunny day actually so many days before so many days the storming are lots the very strong in Delhi. So guys a lots uh, so I have listened on by my mom so village actually there was a very strong storming in my hometown. So my crops has my crops has been the destroyed in very heavy rains, and there the crops are cultivated and the beet. So suddenly and there is the overalls completed for the recover, but actually I did not go too for there a lot's time. But actually my village farmers are very sad because it has the rent very heavy also and storming. The people's every years destroyed cultivated a lot crops in the field when crops is overalls completed, and suddenly the rent also storm. So very sad. So I wouldn't say anything else because actually my duty time. So I sitting down on the storeroom. So because actually I'm making video on this time. So uh, because actually I'm learning. Actually I want to improve my English to how to communicate the skill. Actually my English is not good for me. Actually the people's at laughing at me, but don't worry. But actually I request to all, please give me chance for the 5 minute only. I want to make video in the regular basis because actually uh, I I get up early in the morning times because actually I dropped my daughter because actually I don't have more times for making video and these days. But don't worry, actually carry on carry on the making video. And actually I'm also practice English. uh, my journey was very difficult in my life because but actually this time actually I'm learning. Actually I want to improve my English journey and how to communicate to them. So people people asking me why are you learning English. So I told them because actually I want to become the good speaker in my future, guys. Also actually I have two channels on YouTube channel, and my first channel's name is Anil Maurya UP42, and you can just subscribe. Actually I am making video on cooking related videos on YouTube uploaded on a regular basis, and you can subscribe this channel, guys. Once again, I would say my YouTube channel name Anil Maurya UP42. Please, guys, I give you the description. Please subscribe and support. Okay, guys. So actually making video on the related on the cooking. So how to make vegetables, dal, and something. So you are very interested. Please like, share, and subscribe in this channel, guys. Okay. Actually, I want to do humble request. Please subscribe in channel. And this English channel is my second channel, the English channels, because actually I am learning English. Actually, I am teaching to them the who people want to learn and improve English in future. Okay, so gradually, but actually you are very interested, guys, in English, so you can learn and you can practice on regular basis, guys. The practice is the most important, guys. Practice is the first, and listening and practice, the two ways for the speak English. It will be good, increase your grammar, translation, everything. But actually don't complicate it, the grammar and translation. Whatever you have the experience, your knowledge, and you can just speak to them, and you can just speak yourself, and you can put on this mirror and standing, and you can speak, see your face and continue. I know that, so you don't have any environment, no friends, and somebody is laughing at you. But don't worry, actually don't listen anyone that, because guys, English language is very important, and English language is a global language. Actually company is needed only English. If you want to, you're interested in English language, and you will get chance for the new job and new education, and your personalities also development in future, and you can the fluency in your English, and you can practice in every day whatever you have experience, and gradually it will be increased your grammar, translation, and your fluence your English. So thank you for the watching on this video. Thank you. I will meet you the next video, guys. Bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching on this video. Please, guys, you are new, my friends, viewers, please first of all I would say subscribe this channel, so that you will get notifications soon for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye, take care, guys.